Hello, fashion friends and family. This is Stacy here from Sobromo, Mason Elsa Fitzgerald, and the Fashion Heritage Needle Trades Foundation. And I want to tell you about the intermediate sewing class. Something to note is that a prerequisite is required. You are required to have taken our intermediate to sew in wovens class in order to take this particular class. The main reason for that is to level set and to make sure that all the students are at a base level learning so that they can translate their sewing skills onto that next level. Our courses are taught by industry experts. For this particular course, it is taught by Nicole Myrick. She's the founder of Belvedere Terrace Atelier. It's a development firm, but also she has her own fashion line, Icosa Apparel, where she designs, develops, and makes all the garments, but also works with a sample machinist who helps to grow that work. So this program for the intermediate sewing, you will be making a dress. This dress has actually been custom designed by Nicole, and you will learn these best practices and the different methods, which you can read in the description. Well, we look forward to seeing you in class.